Guys, guess what? It's finally here. I just got an email saying that a package has arrived, so I think it's the new brush for a vacuum cleaner. Man, I've been waiting for this day for quite some time, so let's get started.
The new brush looks so much better than the old one. We are so happy. And here's the old one. As you can see, it's been used very well. Did you see that on her right hand side that there was a black thing missing? Here you can see a much better display of it and a comparison between the old one and the new one. Such a big difference. And here's a much better picture displaying the main difference. As you can see, there's a black thing missing.
So, the vacuum cleaner is finally back on track. The new brush is installed and she's running smoothly and the place is clean and tidy, and we are happy and we are loving the result. We had to go ahead and purchase a new brush because we looked everywhere for spare parts and couldn't find anything, and we don't have a 3D printer, so we couldn't print out anything. So luckily we decided to go ahead and purchase a new brush, and now everything is working perfectly again. If you like this episode and want to see more, please give us a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, as we produce new videos every week. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.